Just over 22% of the population in African countries have been fully vaccinated against COVID-19, according to the region's Centre for Disease Control. And the threat of severe illness from the virus remains real for many people. Recently, the Director General of the World Health Organization, Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, said the world is nearing the end of the COVID-19 pandemic.
Last week, the number of weekly reported deaths from COVID-19 was the lowest since March 2020. We have never been in a better position to end the pandemic. We're not there yet, but the end is in sight.
African countries struggled to secure early supplies of COVID-19 vaccines as rich nations hoarded doses. Other problems have made it difficult to get shots into arms, in part because health systems failed the challenge of the pandemic. The World Bank and WHO have created a new pandemic fund to help low and middle-income countries better prepare, prevent and respond to future health emergencies.
COVID-19 has really spotlighted just how ill-prepared the world was to face the pandemic. And we've at the World Bank, we've worked very closely with the WHO to estimate the costs of preparing for the next pandemic. And we've estimated those at about $30 billion per year over the next 5 years in additional financing to help prepare the world for the next pandemic.
Ahead of high-level meetings at the United Nations in New York, it's a reminder to world leaders of the need for stronger health systems. With delegates gathering at the United Nations from all around the world, masks have to be kept on in public and shared spaces. But when there's few people around, it's possible to take the mask off. But people here are well aware that the global COVID-19 pandemic is not fully over yet, and that the global recovery is just beginning. Caroline Malone for CGTN at the UN headquarters in New York.